Master the sign shifting rules in algebra. Never make sign mistakes again. Algebra Basics, Section 1. Introduction and the Core Rules. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at an algebraic equation and wondered how numbers magically change their signs when they cross the equal sign, you are in the right place. Today, we are mastering sign shifting rules, the ultimate secret to solving equations perfectly every single time. Let's look at the basic setup. Every equation has a left-hand side, LHS, and a right-hand side, separated by an equal sign. Think of the equal sign as a magical border. Whenever an operation crosses this border, it flips into its exact opposite. Let's look at addition and subtraction first. If you have a positive sign on the left and move it to the right, it shifts and becomes a negative sign. Conversely, if you start with a negative sign and shift it over, it reverses into a positive sign. They are perfect opposites. The exact same logic applies to multiplication and division. A multiplication sign, crossing the border, shifts into a division sign. And a division sign, moving to the other side, flips back into a multiplication sign. Simple, right? If you can remember these 4 basic flips, you can solve almost any basic algebraic equation. Section 2. Step-by-step examples. Now let's see these rules in action with some algebraic examples so you can see exactly how it looks on paper. First up, let's look at addition. Suppose we have the equation a plus b equals c, and we want to isolate b. We need to move b to the right-hand side. Because it's plus b on the left, it shifts to become negative b on the right. So our new equation becomes a equals c minus b. What if we are subtracting? Look at a minus b equals c. To get a by itself this time, we have to shift the negative b. Since it's a minus sign, it crosses over the equal sign and transforms into a plus sign. The result? A equals c plus b. Let's move over to the right side of our screen and look at multiplication. If you have a times b equals c, and your goal is to find the value of a, you need to shift the multiplied b. Following our rule, multiplication shifts into division. So it crosses over and gives us a equals c over b, which can also be written as a fraction, c over b. Finally, let's look at division. If our equation is a over b equals c, we need to get rid of the division to isolate a. When we shift the division b over to the right-hand side, it flips into its opposite, which is multiplication. This gives us our final form, a equals c times b. Let's do a quick recap to lock this into your memory. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. Mastering these 4 shifts is like unlocking a cheat code for algebra. It removes the guesswork and helps you solve for variables quickly and confidently. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more quick math tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover more algebra basics in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.